Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As you guys know, we've been discussing how to create an online web application from scratch. So today is our task number 15, which is designing responsive seller store page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind. So as you guys can see, I have logged in to the seller dashboard. So as a seller, I have logged in and I'm in the public store tab. So this is the storefront page that I created. So we have the heading over here, which is your storefront, and below it we have a paragraph: manage and customize how your skills appear to customers. Then below that I have a sorting option here. So in the selection over here we can select newest first, price low to high, price high to low, highest rating, most customers. So we can sort from many ways. We can sort the products or the skills listed in many ways. And over the right side we have a button to add skills. So this is not programmed yet. Add skills. So if we click on this, we can add a new skill over here. So these are discussed in the previous videos. Below that we have a text over here showing 10 of 100 skills. So these are for example. So for example, I have added 4 listed skills over here. You can see the level of the skill is mentioned over here. In this case, that's advanced, and the status of the skill is mentioned over here in green color, which is active. And let's try making it inactive. And so for the second skill I made it inactive. So inactive we show in red color. So if we consider one card over here, we have the product image, next we have the title of the product and the description of the product over here. Below that the number of customers that have purchased this skill, and the rating is over here. So for this let me give a number also. So if we give a number, it appears as this. Below that we have the price of the product, and finally we have the 2 buttons, edit and deactivate the product. So edit button is used to edit the product if you want to change any data of the product such as title or description or price, or we can deactivate the product by clicking on deactivate. So if you go below, we have a new option over here, new thing over here. This is called pagination. So in this we can move from page to page. So each page we can give a consistent number of products that page can hold. So if it overflows or more products are, so if we want to show more products, we can go to the next page to view those products. And finally we have our footer over here. So let's check out how did we do the programming over here. So let's go to our code. So as you can see, we are in the seller dashboard.php. So we should go to the storefront tab. So here we can see an else if over here. So the first main if is to check whether the tab is dashboard. So if the dashboard, we should display this over here. So because we are in storefront, we should check out this else if area. So here I create a section tag, and I have given many division tags over here, and below that I have given a heading 2 tag to display our heading, your storefront. And below that I have given a paragraph tag with the text color gray, and the button over here. So I have given the button as an anchor tag. So which will, for the anchor tag I have given href attribute. In that href attribute the value is given as product register.php. So when we click on add products or add skills, we redirect to the product register.php file. Below that we have the sorting and filtering area over here. So that's in a separate section. So I have given a label over here, sort by, and for the label the relevant selection tag is given over here with the ID sort select. And I have given some classes over here to highlight the selection when we move over it. And the options are given as here: newest first, price low to high, high to low, highest rating, most customers, and the relevant values are given over here inside the value attribute. Below that we have a separate division over here. So in this division only we used to show the text showing 10 of 100 skills. So each page we can use 10 skills. So below that we have the store view, storefront view with a separate section tag. So in this only we add the cards of our products cards here. So first of all, I have added 4 product cards over here. So these are the 4 product cards. So let's open one and check out. For the product image, I have created a separate division over here, and inside that I have given an image tag and a separate division over here for status badge. So to display active inactive, we use a separate division, and below that we have the level badge. So this is used to display the level of the product, which is basic, intermediate, or advanced. Next we have the product information over here. So we have added the heading of the product's title to the H3 tag and the paragraph description to the paragraph tag. Next, another division is created over here to display the ratings given by the customers and the price of the product in another division. So below that, finally we have the two buttons, action, which is edit, and the other button, deactivate. So if it's active, deactivate it. If it is deactivated, make it active. So for the edit button, I have given href as product edit.php with ID 1. So this will be programmed in the next video. So below that, finally we have the pagination over here. I have not programmed this yet. Let's program it in the next video. So here I have created a division tag and given several anchor tags for each page. So for the first page, a separate tag, last page, separate tag, likewise. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.